Hey everyone! In today's walkthrough, we're putting together a clean and modern mobile weather app wireframe using MockFlow WireframePro, and we'll get it done quickly and effortlessly. For this design, we'll be using the iOS 16 UI kit from MockFlow. Let's begin by pulling in the iOS 16 mobile frame from the MockFlow UI kit. Swap the dynamic island style to the iPhone notch. Drop in your preferred image from the MockFlow image library. And attach the status bar. For the top icons, add the camera icon from the UI kit, then replace the menu icons by simply clicking and choosing alternatives from the MockFlow icon library. Finally, place a text label to display the location name. Next, add the weather type using a text component. For navigation, drag in the bottom navbar from the UI kit. And update its icons through MockFlow's icon library to match your app's theme. Now, let's bring in a weather illustration from your uploaded images. Below that, we'll set up a section for Other Cities. Add a plus icon, then insert a rectangular card that includes the city image, name, weather type, and temperature. Duplicate the card to create more and customize them as needed. We'll now design a card for the current location weather metrics. Add icons, values, and labels, create one, then reuse it for the rest of the metrics. After that, introduce the Today's Forecast section with a More link. Add hourly forecast cards showing time, temperature, and weather icons. Build one and reuse it to maintain consistency. Time to switch screens. Create a new screen titled 7-Day Forecast. Start with a rectangular card, insert the weather image, and include high and low temperatures along with the detailed weather metrics reused from the previous screen. Below that, lay out the daily forecast list. Begin with day 1, add the day name, weather type, and high along with low temperatures. Duplicate and adjust each card for the remaining days by updating the day labels, imagery, and temperature values. We'll now set up another screen focusing on the weather by hour. Begin with a search bar from the UI kit and customize it with a location. Then, create a rectangular card that displays the temperature, weather type, place name, time, and an image. Duplicate it to create the full list of time-based updates. At this point, feel free to fine-tune the spacing, tweak the colors, or polish any of the cards. And just like that, your mobile weather app Wireframe in MockFlow WireframePro is ready. And that wraps it up. If you enjoyed this weather app wireframing walkthrough, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more MockFlow wireframing tutorials.